book, this one?
No, not English for today. That is another book. Yes, Gulmohar.
Teacher, I no have.
No problem. Those still not have, you will buy, no problem. For today, no need any book. Just see, this is your English literature book. You have 3 books. One is the literature book, that name is Gulmohar. One is the grammar book, Lexa's Grammar. And one is the English for today. Okay, yes. But today, okay, some are waiting in the room. Today, I will start with one poem. But before the class, again, I'm going to take the attendance. Tell me one thing, your other teachers also took the attendance today?
No.
Nobody took?
No, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Science teacher also didn't took? Science
Teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, take.
Science teacher took the attendance?
Yes, taken.
Why some are telling no? If you don't know, don't say lie. Don't say lie, my dear. Okay. Getting sound from Hafsa. Who Hafsa is written there? I don't know the child name. I'm getting sound from there. Okay. What is your name, my dear? Written here Hafsa. But you are not Hafsa. Naim. Okay.
Muhammad Naim.
Your mother sound is come to me. Naim. You can tell, no? Okay, fine. That's why I'm telling your name should be there. Okay. So I think almost students came. Okay. So just give me 1 minute. I'm taking the attendance. Then something for you. Okay. Just wait.
I don't know matter of concept. Internet live. দেখাচ্ছে কিছু টিচার দেখাচ্ছে আমাকে টিচার 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 Teacher?
Yes, my dear. Wait. I'm here only. Wait. Okay, look at the screen. What you can see in the screen?
My iPad just finished.
Okay, dear. Can you see something in the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. First, I will show you 2 rhymes. Then we can start our class. Okay? Because continuous you are attending the class. So for you, I just want to share this one. Okay, all of you enjoy the video.
your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. La, 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 I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. La, 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 I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. I know a song and it goes like this. La, 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 I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. La, 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 I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Clap, clap your hands.
All of you,
Stomp, stomp your feet.
Try to say.
Swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. La, 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 I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me.
how is the song, my dear?
Good. It's very nice.
Listen, my dear.
Nice.
Listen, my dear.
Teacher is very nice. Very good teacher.
Okay, say
Very
all. Okay, my dear, listen to me. You everybody know this song. Clap your hands, right?
Nice.
But this is one more for you. Now, wait, I will show you one more, okay? Now wait for the second. Then we'll come to the point, okay? Just watch the video. I'm going to share with you. Yes, look at the screen.
Teacher, I joined another mobile.
Okay, no problem. Now I'm going to share the second one. Yes. Yes, all of you.
Hey,
Sing the song.
I go to school. I meet my friends.
I meet my friends.
And we all say. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I'm good, I'm great.
See, my dear. No, it's not completed. I just want to say something. This is, now in the grade 1A, you got the new friend also, right? So if you'll meet any new friends, what you have to say? Hello, what's your name? Same this song, not only the normal song. In Samia, can you hear me? Samia, can you hear me? Okay, now this video is not completed. Enjoy the video.
Monster Math presents Addition Below 10.
Why you are this much talking? Children, why you are talking in the class? I don't know. Merab, make you mute. Merab. Otherwise, I will delete your name from my class. What you are doing in the class? Continuous sound coming from you. Merab.
Teacher, I am dancing with song.
Very good. That's why I made for you, no? Okay. Yes, my dear. So now you enjoy the
Today,
two rhymes. Okay. Now what you can see in the screen, my dear? I just want to say you can see the picture of flowers. I don't know how many students know the name of the picture. This picture name is tulip. Okay, it's a very good flowers. So actually our topic is today I'm going to start one new lesson. New lesson means today is the first class. Already you attend my social study class. Then you attend my math class also. We did something there. That's why for English class I'm going to start one new topic. That is the poem. What is the name of the poem? The name of the poem is Tulips. Those having the books, they can open the page. Page number, I'm going to say the page number. Tulip is the page number 43. You can open your books. I know most of the students don't have the books. That's why don't take any tension. This poem I'm going to share in the screen also. Okay? Just wait, it will come. And first I want to read the poem from the book. All of you listen to me. If you have anything or wants to ask me, you can wait. After the reading, I will give you chance to give your question, pass your question to me. So this is the new lesson. What I said? I said the poem name is Tulip. Tulip is the name of a flower. And who written this one? If you don't have the books, otherwise you can see. This is written by, why my video is, 1 second.
Today, let's take the poem Tulips. It is written by V.W. Lachicot. Now, this poem it is a very short poem and it is about the flower tulip. Now all those who have not seen a tulip, see here, these
All
are
of
the
you listen
pictures
the
of the
poem
tulip
carefully,
flowers.
okay?
Okay. Now let's recite the poem. In the garden, tulips grow, straight and golden in a row. Each one holds its empty cup, drinking rain and sunshine up. Now let's take the poem stanza wise, okay? In the garden, here it is written, in the garden, tulips grow, straight and golden in a row. So you can see how the tulips are growing in the garden. The flowers, this is how the flowers stand straight in a row. Now what is straight? Okay, now here you can see in the picture how the flowers is, the plant is, or you can say the flower is standing. It is standing straight. It is not bending anywhere. That's why it is written straight. Okay, so the flowers are standing straight and golden. Why the word golden is used? Because the flowers are of yellow color. That's why they are referred to as golden. In a row. Now this here, when you stand in a straight line, this is called row. That's why the poet is saying that in the garden, how the tulips are growing, they're going straight and in a line. Each one holds its empty cup, drinking rain and sunshine up. So
Can you
here
hear,
now
my
why it is
dear?
written
Yes and
empty
no?
cup? What is this empty cup? You can see this flower here. Okay, these flowers are the cup are referred to the flowers. Now all of us have seen a cup. A cup is like this in shape and it holds tea for us. Okay, same way we drink tea from the cup. Same way this flower here, this shape of this flower is as of a cup. You can see very clearly in the picture that it is shaped like a cup. That's why we are saying it is an empty cup, drinking rain and sunshine up. So it looks as if the flower is drinking sunshine. Okay, sunshine means the rays coming from the sun, because every plant needs water and sunlight to grow. So what it is drinking? It is drinking the sunlight and the rain. Okay, it is drinking rain from its cup. So that's it.
Yes, my dear. Okay, my dear, listen to me. I think you understood the...
Coloring. Teacher, it's very nice.
Okay, 1 minute. I'm very, very upset. Who is scribble my screen? I know who is that, but I will not take the names. Who did this one? He and she will tell me, teacher, I scribble the screen. Who is that? Tell me first. Tell me who did. Now nobody answering me.
Teacher, Khadija not. Khadija sitting.
No, I'm not asking Khadija. I said who did these mistakes. He and she will tell me, teacher, I did, I am sorry. Because I know your name is come to the screen. But I want to know from your mouth only. What is this? How can you do this one? You don't know, you cannot do like this. Again somebody is talking in the class. Tell me who did this one. First, I want to know who is scribble the screen. I want to know who is that. You will not take your name. Yes or no? You will take the name. Yeah, I will tell you your name. Who did this one? See, today is the first day. I'm not going to take the names, but next time you cannot do like this in my class. Then I will remove your name from my class. Nobody can touch the screen. I know you are very smart. You can do so many things, but not in the class time. Okay? Understood? Okay, tell me. Show me your English notebook, my dear. Show me your English notebook. Notebook. Yes. This is notebook. Okay. You have like this English notebook, right? You have like this English notebook. Same thing. First page you leave the first page and go to the second page. First page you have to leave. Already I taught you first page you have to leave. Go to the second page. And did you make the margin also after 2 lines? I taught you in the math class. If you already done, please write the date also. Mehrab, why you are too tired, Mehrab? This is the last period now. Last period. Okay. After 2 lines, make a margin and write today's date. Then I'm going to teach you how to draw the tulip. First page, you have to draw the picture. Every lesson have the picture, right? Every picture have the
Teacher, what's right? B.
I told in the math class I teach you na first 2 lines. You have to make the margin after 2 lines. Okay, this is your English notebook. Just you think this is your English notebook. Now I taught you after 2 lines you have to make one margin. So make all of you make the margin first. Margin first. I'm doing my one, you will do your one. What I did, I make the margin here, right? Then you have to write here today's date also. What is the date already mentioned here? 10, 1, write 10, all dash 1, then 21. Mehrab, make you mute. Mehrab, make you mute. Yes. And Prapti Shaha. Name is here Prapti Shaha. Mehrab, again you are making the unmute, Mehrab. I make you mute. Again you are doing that child also, Prapti Shaha and Jainab. Make you mute first. No need to make you unmute. Whatever I am saying, listen to me. So first you have to make the margin after 2 lines. This is your English notebook. And here you make the margin, no? On the margin, you have to write the poem name. What is our poem name? Khadija. Yes, cannot sleep now. Khadija, what is the name of the poem? Which one I started now? Can you tell me the name?
What, teacher?
Khadija, I asked you. I show you one poem, no? What is the name of the poem? Tips. Okay. Okay, Khadija, make you unmute. Make you mute. Now I'm going to write the name of the state. You have to write here on the top. Here you make the margin. In the middle part, you have to write the name of the poem. T-U-L-I-P-S. See where I wrote. Listen, my dear. I make the margin after 2 lines. Then I wrote the poem name. Okay. All of you write like this. Can you see? Krishna? Okay. See, I think you cannot see. That's why I'm going to write here. This is, just think, this is your notebook, right? Just you think this is your notebook. What I taught you after 2 lines. You have like this line, right? You have so many like this line. Okay. So what you have to do after 2 lines, you make a margin. Then here in the middle,
I not see here.
you cannot see. I will show this one, no?
Cannot see anything.
Now you can see, my dear.
Yes.
Now you can see.
Yes.
Okay, so
Teacher,
you have to write the poem names. T-U-L-I-P, tulip. But you have to put one S. T-U-L-I-P-S, tulips. Okay, write the name of the poem. Where you have to write the middle part. T-U-L-I-P-S. This is our poem name. And here you have to write the today's date. 10/1/21. You have is like that. This much clear for you? My dear, this much clear for you? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now this page for the drawing. How to draw the tulip? Very easy way. All of you listen. First, draw the 2 sticks. Like this draw. Okay. Hey, who is talking? Don't talk. Make you mute. Okay, dear. How to draw the tulip flower? Just draw the 2 straight lines. 1 line and 2 lines. Okay. This much you can, no? Yes and no? Yes and no?
Yes.
Okay, draw the 2 lines and join here like this and like this. Okay? Join here 2 slipping lines. One is the top, one is the down. Join like this. After that, make like flower. First do like this, and like this. See, I make the 3 petals. You can see, my dear, how I done? Yes and no? Yes and no, my dear?
Yes.
Okay, so I drawn the flowers. Then I'm going to draw the leaves. As you wish, long leaves. It's not
Color book.
in the English notebook, my dear. English notebook, first day you have to draw the picture of the poem. See, this is your textbook. In the textbook, you can see like the picture, tulips. Our topic is one flower. This flower name is tulip. So I drawn here the tulip flower. And now, after the class, not now, evening, you have to color the flower. Here you have to fill the yellow color. Which color, my dear?
Yellow.
Okay, and leaves, which color will come? Leaves, which color will come? Green. Here all yellow colors will come. Color it very nicely, not now. You can do it in the evening. Now just I'm going to teach you. After class, you can take food, take rest. Evening, you do your homework. And all the leaves should be in which color? Green color. Because we know the color of the leaves. Leaves colors and trees colors always green. Okay, this is your homework. you have to do in your English notebook and send to me by evening. Okay? Yes? Yes.
Number.
Page number is 43, no? What I said. Okay, let me check. In your tag, yes, page number 43. Okay. Nicely, clearly color the pictures. Okay. And this one you can make it brown color. Okay. Which color you can make? Brown color. I don't, yes. It should be brown color and flower should be yellow color and leaves should be green color. Okay? Yes and no? You have any doubt? No, na?
Yes.
So this is your homework in the English notebook. First page, you have to make a margin after the 2 lines. I taught you in the math class also. After 2 lines, make a margin and write the name of the poem in the middle. Neatly. Then here, draw the picture. What I taught you today, I taught you the draw picture of the tulip flower. So how I drawn first I make the 2 standing line like a 11. Okay, like this I drawn. After that, you have to fill the colors. Flowers is the yellow color. Then leaves green color. And you can make the stem in the brown color. This much you have the homework. Do it at home, not now because now you are already very tired. Take your food, take rest, enough rest. Evening time, do it and send to my personal number. I want my everyday's work on time. See, I already completed here. Can you see, my dear?
Yes, then.
Same thing. Yeah, you have to do the same thing you have to do in your notebook.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now one more time, I want to repeat the poem. What is the poem? Poem name is Tulip. In the garden you know, na, in Bahrain have so many garden. You are going to the garden, no? In garden have some rides also. You can play there also. So, here one flower. In this, where you can see this flower? You can see in the garden only. Okay, right? You can see in the garden only. So, what is written here? I am going to read.
Teacher, we have garden.
Very good. Listen, now just few minutes we have. So I'm going to one more time repeat the poem. The name of the poem is Tulip. Tulip is the name of a flower. It's a beautiful flower. Where you can see the flower? In the garden. So it is written here, in the garden, tulips grow. Grow means what? See, grow means slowly came up. Same like you also small. What time now? LKG, you are very small. After LKG, you are come to the HKG, little bit. Now you are grade 1. Okay, again you are coming little up. So small to going up, it's called the grow. Plants also grow. We are also grow. Okay, that's why you are calling the growing child. Okay, so where you can see the tulip in the garden and tulips grow. Straight and golden. See my dear, that's why I make the straight line. Because this flower is going always straight. Straight going up. Not like this, not like this. You know, na, money plant is very, you know, money plant cannot go straight.
Up.
Yes.
Children is small first, then bigger.
Very good. Okay. So straight and golden means it is going straight. And why say the golden? Because the flower color is the showing here yellow. Yellow is the gold color. Okay. Where you can see in a row. Hey, listen, my dear. Row means what? Row means straight. Did you see the potato plants? What time you will go to the Bangladesh, look at the potato plants. It's making, no? Potato plants making like this row, means line by line.